Guys want to learn how I turned myself into Bendy from Bendy in the Ink Machine? You guys can keep on watching. Hi guys, Yami here, and today I am showing you guys how I'm transforming myself into the infamous Bendy from Bendy and the Ink Machine. So if you guys are curious of what I'm using, these are the materials I'm using. I'm using just some various brushes, some water for the paint, and some eyeliner pencils. So we will get started. Well, first things first, we have to do an outline of basically what we want for our makeup. I've seen various versions of Bendy people have done. I want to do a kind of ink, like the ink running down, but still half Bendy-like. So I'm just going to outline my face to what I want it to look like. I have my outline done, and I know it looks kind of weird and wonky, but it's just a quick sketch to see basically how I want everything to look, like with the ink drops and where I want the white to go. Now we are going to add our white after doing the outline. So now that we are done with the white aspect, we are going to paint my neck black down to about here, because the rest of the costume is going to cover it up, so we just want to paint enough to cover up the skin that's going to be showing, so we're going to do that. Which means I'm probably going to have to take my shirt off, so there's that. So this is how the makeup looks so far. So next what I'm going to do is take a white eyeliner pencil and just add some detailing to the drips to make them look more, you know, defined and cartoony. So this is how the makeup looks right now. So you could just be done right here with the makeup, but of course I like going all the way. I'm going to add in some white contacts. I have one contact in, just have to get the other one in. Hooray! So now that I have my contacts in, I can start putting on the costume. So first I'm going to start off with this button-up shirt that has some elegance to it. I was wondering where my collar was, it was stuck. Next I am going to add the wig. I'm going to add my bendy bow tie that I made. Next I am going to add the bendy ears that I made. If you guys want to learn how to make these ears and bow tie, I have made a video on it that will be coming out later. So if you guys want to see that when it comes out, I'll put a link in the description below, or just subscribe to me so you guys can see that. But already I feel so cool. It looks so cool. Now I could already just wear the whole cosplay like that, or I can make Bendy even fancier and add this ruffle coat. I just use one glove, then the other I'm going to keep simple because I already have like creepy tattoos to match it. And there you go. I am Bendy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me becoming Bendy. If you guys liked the video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more. And stay tuned for more Bendy content. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.